Number 1, find the value of c that will make x squared minus 20x plus c a perfect square. So, ang formula para makita si x is given by this. 1, c equals b divided by 2 squared. Okay, but note nga, kaninang formula magamit lang pag a is equal to 1. If a is equal to 1, which is the case here, a is equal to 1, right? A equals 1, b equals negative 20, c is unknown. Unknown. So, where is the mouse? Okay. So, substitute dito. C equals, b is negative 20 over 2 squared. So, negative 20 divided by 2 is equal to negative 10 squared. Negative 10 squared. So, negative 10 times negative 10 equals 100. Therefore, c is equal to 100. Okay. That's the answer.